Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to avoid tolls on Google Maps. Whether you are looking to save money or prefer a toll-free route, Google Maps lets you avoid tolls easily by adjusting your route preference. First of all, open up the Google Maps application on your device and then go to the search box at the top of the screen and then type in your destination in the text box. Once you do that, from the bottom menu, click on the Directions button and this will start your route. Now, once you see this interface, go to the top right corner and tap the three dots, and from the menu that appears at the bottom, tap on Options. From the trip options appearing on the next page, toggle on the button right next to Avoid Tolls. Once you are done, you can get back to your direction page and start to begin your toll-free journey. Your route will now automatically update to avoid toll roads. So that way you can easily avoid tolls on Google Maps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.